In many scrap metal recycling processes, paint removal is a very important but easily overlooked step. This includes discarded items such as old aluminum cans, aluminum profiles, and scrap car components. The primary purpose of paint removal is to enhance the purity of the scrap metal, ensuring that the recycled material meets the specific requirements of industries like manufacturing or aerospace. Paint layers may contain various impurities, including organic substances, chemicals, and other non-metal components. If these impurities are not eliminated, they can have adverse effects on the performance and quality of the recycled metal material. Furthermore, some industries have exceptionally high purity standards for metal materials, making paint removal a necessary step to ensure that recycled metal meets these standards. In summary, paint removal is a critical stage in the recycling process of scrap metals, contributing to the improvement of the quality and availability of recycled metals. And in this video, we are mainly focusing on 3 common discarded aluminum treasures: aluminum cans, aluminum window frames, and the intricate honeycomb aluminum structures. If you are committed to scrap metal recycling and recognize the significance of paint removal, we welcome you to inquire about our technology and equipment.